What's going on, everyone? So today we're back with the G for the first time in like 2 months of recording, because there's a lot of stuff that was going on. It's like 3 months ago. It's been a while since I've started recording. We got Kale here, we got little Miles over here. I don't even know if he's been on the channel yet, but this is my puppy, a 3 months old. He's a golden retriever. I've had him for a little while, and that's one of the main reasons I haven't been recording, is because I was taking care of him. But he's with us today, so that's exciting. And then Dom's gonna be showing up later. He's the one with the Ford Focus on the channel, so yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna see how much we can get of this back together. I think the rest of it's mainly just body panels. We have the bumper, fender. We gotta re-secure the rad and pretty much just troubleshoot whatever's left. I don't know how to body or align body panels. I don't think any of us do. So it's gonna be a little bit of a mission getting this all back together. But it is what it is. I was so excited to unwrap this all and see all the nice hood under it and see everything's actually starting to come together, because we got a lot done on the last video. There's a lot of progress made, and I want this car back together. We got another two months or so before the car comes back on the road, and I could not be more excited for anything else. So I guess let's get this started and see how this goes. But this is Miles. Hi, puppy boys. Hi, puppy. Look how cute he is. He's our little shop helper now. Well, I say shop, but it's just open yard. Miles, where are you going, puppy? He's a cutie. So, we've been here for an hour and a half now, and we've been trying to figure out where this wiring harness goes, and there's been no luck. So we looked it up finally and realized we were just being dumb, and it actually just goes down and below and then back up yeah. It was stupid enough for us to try and figure out how it goes through here or how it goes over the top and whatnot. We even put the headlight in. I don't know if you got a sneak peek of it, just to figure out how this routes, but we were dumb enough not to realize that it goes right down below and then across, which makes a lot more sense than anything else. I'm starting to lose faith that we're gonna have this done today. Hopefully we can get a lot more than this done, because we've connected 2 wires, but I'll keep you updated. We're gonna keep working through it and try and get this, just the wiring at least in place, and then see if we can start putting some body panels on. I didn't know there was this much wiring to do. Last time we were here, we clipped a wire in between the the rad and the rad support, and that already took 20 minutes for us to get back off. We still haven't resecured that. Thought we did, but we didn't. It's been kind of a mess today, so hopefully we can get back on track and start actually getting things clipped back together, and we'll keep you updated through it. Camera died for a minute, but we got it charged up, and this is pretty much the progress we made because it is starting to get darker and it might rain by the end before we're done. So I got all of the wiring harness that I couldn't figure out. I got it wired underneath. It's all clipped in on the side here properly, clipped through on the AC lines, and it's running across exactly like it should be. The wiring in here, I got it all clipped up properly and it's tucked in. Couple zip ties held her together nicely, and we unwrapped the fender, which we're going to be putting on now. Oh, it's starting to look complete.
I like it.
I'm so excited.
I love this black color for some reason.
Right? It does look really good.
Black.
So we're gonna get this bolted on, and then we can see how much we can actually get done with the car. I really hope this is enough for a video, and I'm sorry if this video is super short, but I would like to get it done. And if it doesn't work today, we're probably gonna wait until the beginning of spring to get the rest of the car put together, just so we can work in not horrible weather. Plus the dog is out of commission right now. He's cold and tired. So let's get this put on and see what it looks like after. Don't sniff into the camera, you wank.
That was gross.
That's mean. So we got it all mocked up, and do not tell me this doesn't look really good. Somehow this side actually lined up better than the other one. The body lines lined up beautifully. I thought it was gonna give us an issue, but it didn't, which is nice. The up here, I don't know how we're gonna fix that, but there is a little bit bigger of a gap than I would like. And everything else here lined up absolutely perfectly. I got no complaints. The black I don't really love, but I also don't have the money to wrap all this right now. So the three of us might try and do a little bit of an wrap and get it just white for the summer, and that's pretty much it. It looks really, really nice. I don't think there's gonna be much else we're gonna be doing for today. Just enough to get it all back on. I think we might slam the hood back on, make sure it doesn't clip anywhere, and we'll probably call it a day after that, I would imagine. Bumper is gonna have to wait till the spring. Headlights are gonna wait for the spring, and the rest of this wiring is gonna have to go alongside that. There's a couple more parts I have in the trunk that I gotta get out, but there's no time for all that right now, so we're gonna wait till next time. Let's watch the hood get put on, and then we'll probably call it after that. So let's do it. Can we just take a moment and just look at that? Look how gorgeous she looks. I'm so excited to get it all back to normal. I don't know how to do any body lines, so you can see that it's pretty bad comparing. And then this side's just very close the entire way. So we're gonna have to learn how to do some body work. That's kind of your thing.
What is?
Body work.
Yeah.
Figure it out, buddy. But other than that, all we really have left is bumper, headlights, and connecting everything, and then just bleeding all the fluids. And then that's pretty much it. And then it's just small things like putting the hood pins in and putting the hood latch on and stuff like that. So I'm not too bad about how this looks today. I'm pretty happy with the stuff we did. Whether it was a lot or not, it was a lot of the tedious work like the wiring. So I'm happy this is all done. That's gonna be it for today's video. I know it might have been a short video, and I do apologize for that. Hopefully the next ones we can get this car built. They're gonna be longer, and we're actually gonna be able to finish it. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like, because it does help me in the channel out a lot. If you want to see more of my content, please feel free to subscribe, because again, it does help me in the channel out a lot. Kayla and Dom's Instagrams are gonna be in the link in the description below. Go give them a follow, as they do help me out a lot. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks again for watching. Peace.